How to use WhatsApp on PC or laptop. 2 easy methods. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Now type WhatsApp Web in the search bar and hit Enter. Click on the official WhatsApp Web link from the results. The WhatsApp web page will display a QR code with a Scan to Login option. Okay, on your phone, open the WhatsApp app. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner menu and select Linked Devices. Tap Link a Device. Your phone's camera will open, ready to scan. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen and hold it steady until it scans. After a short loading time, your WhatsApp account will open on your computer automatically. Now you can use WhatsApp on your computer just like on your phone. Second method. How to log in with your phone number on a PC or laptop. Okay, after opening WhatsApp Web from Google Chrome, look carefully just below the scanning option. You'll see Login with phone number. Just click on that option, then select your country, enter your phone number below, and click Next. Immediately, a notification will be sent to your phone. Open it and confirm. Then enter the code showing on your computer into your phone, and WhatsApp will open on your PC. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our next important tutorial. Thank you.